Hello, everyone, and a warm welcome back to Speak English channel. This is the place where English feels warm, cozy, and real. I'm Emily, and I'm just so happy you're here with us today.
Hello, Emily, and a big hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. It is a beautiful day to practice some English, isn't it?
It really is, Paul. You sound very happy today. You have a lot of energy.
I do. I am very happy and full of energy. Do you know why?
Let me guess. Did you have a really good sleep?
Well, yes, I did, but that's not the main reason.
Did you win the lottery?
No, I wish. The reason is actually quite simple. I just had a delicious, perfect cup of coffee.
Ah, of course. Coffee makes everything better. I love coffee too. It's honestly my favorite part of the morning ritual. It just wakes me up.
Me too. And actually, Emily, that's a perfect lead-in because I think that's our topic for today.
Oh, is our topic just coffee?
Close. Today we are talking about the daily routine at the coffee shop.
That is a fantastic topic. So many people go to coffee shops every single day. It's a very popular routine all over the world.
Exactly. Whether you're going to work, meeting friends, or just need a quiet moment, the coffee shop is a special place.
And you know what? It's also a great place to practice and hear real spoken English.
You're absolutely right. But before we walk in and order our drinks, we have a small, quick favor to ask our lovely listeners.
Yes, we do. If you enjoy listening to our podcasts and conversations, please take just a second to click that like button. It really, really helps us.
And please do subscribe to Speak English channel so you never miss our chats. And hey, if you have a friend who loves both coffee and English, share this episode with them.
Okay, Paul, let's set the scene. Let's imagine we're walking into a coffee shop right now. What's the very first thing you notice?
Oh, easy. The smell. That incredible smell of fresh coffee beans. It's wonderful.
I can almost smell it.
And then the sounds. You hear the coffee machines going whoosh and the milk steaming. Psst.
Great sound effects, Paul. Very realistic.
Thanks. It's a busy, lively place. So we walk up to the counter. A person is working there. What do we call this person in English?
That's a good question. In English, we often call this person a barista,
A barista. Okay.
and they're usually very friendly. They might smile and say something like, "Hi, what can I get for you today?" And this is the important moment, right? We need to order.
Right. So, Emily, how do you order your coffee? Do you just say, I want coffee?
No, no, that can sound a little direct, a bit rude even.
Exactly. We want to be polite. So, what are some better phrases we can use?
I usually say, "I would like a coffee, please." I would like is a magic phrase. It's very polite.
Perfect. Or you can also say, can I have a coffee, please? Can I have is also super common and friendly.
But Paul, just saying coffee is too simple these days, isn't it? There are so many choices.
You are so right. The menu can be huge. You've got espresso, americano, latte, cappuccino. It can be a little confusing if you're not used to it.
It can be, but don't worry. Just choose what you think you'd like. For example, I love a latte.
A latte, that's coffee with lots of hot steamed milk, right?
Right, it's smooth and milky. What about you, Paul?
I'm an Americano guy. It's a strong shot of espresso with hot water added. No milk. I like that strong, serious taste.
Very classic. But wait, we also need to choose the size.
Ah, yes, the sizes. Usually we have small, medium, and large. But sometimes, especially in bigger chains, they use those Italian names like tall, grande, or venti.
That's true. But honestly, if you just say small or medium, the barista will understand you perfectly. No problem.
Good point. I'll just stick with medium. It's easiest.
All right, let's practice a full order. Paul, you be the customer and I'll be the barista. Ready?
I am ready.
Hi there. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks. Can I have a medium Americano, please?
Sure. Would you like room for milk?
Oh, room for milk. That means, do I want a little space in the cup so I can add some cold milk later myself?
Exactly.
No room, please. I like it black.
Okay. Anything else for you? A muffin? Maybe a croissant?
Ooh, a croissant sounds good. Yes, please. One butter croissant.
Great. Is that for here or to go?
Ah, that's an important question. For here or to go?
Yes. For here means you'll sit at a table in the shop. You'll often get a nice ceramic cup. To go means you're taking it away, and you'll get a paper cup with a lid.
Got it. So for our practice, let's say to go, please. I'm a bit busy today.
All right, that will be $5, please.
Here you go.
Thank you so much. We'll call your name when it's ready.
Good job, Emily. That felt like a real coffee shop interaction.
Thanks. See? It's simple when you know the key phrases. But Paul, there's one thing that always happens to me.
What's that?
They ask for your name to write on the cup.
Oh, yes. And they always spell my name wrong.
Really? But Paul is an easy name. B-E-N.
I know, but sometimes they write B-A-N. It's very funny.
I think it's a coffee shop tradition at this point, getting the wrong name on the cup.
It must be. Now, let's talk about the routine after you order.
Okay.
So, if you said for here, you need to find a table. Sometimes the shop is very, very full. It's crowded.
Yes, you might see one empty chair, but maybe someone is sitting at the table next to it.
What do you say?
You can politely ask, "Excuse me, is this seat taken?"
That is a perfect phrase. Is this seat taken? And if they say no, go ahead, then you can sit down. So, what do people actually do in coffee shops?
Oh, so many things. I see a lot of people working on their laptops.
Yes, the digital nomads. They're typing away and sipping coffee. For them, the most important question isn't even about the coffee.
What is it?
It's, what's the Wi-Fi password? Or, do you have Wi-Fi?
So true. I also see people reading books or newspapers. It's a cozy place to just sit and read.
It is. The atmosphere is usually relaxing. There's often soft music playing, a little jazz, some acoustic guitar.
That's nice. But sometimes I go to the coffee shop for the best reason to meet a friend.
That is the best reason. It's a social routine. Let's grab a coffee is such a great casual way to invite a friend to chat.
Let's grab a coffee. I like that phrase. It sounds very natural and friendly.
It does. So imagine I'm waiting for my friend Mike. I'm sitting at the table and I see Mike walk in the door. What do I do?
You'd probably wave your hand a little and say, "Over here, Mike."
Yes, over here. And when he comes to the table, we don't usually do a super formal greeting. You might say, hey, good to see you. Or, how have you been? And then you might talk for hours, drink more coffee, maybe eat a piece of cake.
Yes, coffee shops often have delicious food. Pastries, cakes, sandwiches.
Do you have a favorite coffee shop snack, Emily?
I absolutely love a chocolate brownie, but only a small one. It's so rich. What about you?
I'm a blueberry muffin person. It goes perfectly with a black coffee, I think.
A classic combo. Now, sometimes people have special requests for their coffee, don't they? Customizing the order.
They do. It might sound difficult, but it's usually easy. For example, the milk. Not everyone drinks cow's milk anymore, right?
Right. Many people like plant-based milk now, like almond milk, soy milk, or oat milk.
Oat milk is so popular these days. So you can just say, "Can I have a latte with oat milk, please?"
Exactly. Or maybe you want it sweeter. You can ask, can I have an extra sugar? Or can I have some vanilla syrup? A vanilla latte is lovely.
Wow, Emily, all this coffee talk. I am getting seriously thirsty.
Me too. I think I might need another cup soon. But before we run off to a coffee shop, we should review the main points a little.
Good idea. So, to be polite, we use phrases like "I would like" or "Can I have?" We choose "for here" or "to go." And if we want to sit down, we can ask, "Is the seat taken?" Simple phrases, but super useful.
Perfect. Oh, Paul, what about tipping? Do you tip the barista?
You know, I usually do if I have cash. I'll put the coins or a small bill in the tip jar on the counter. It's a nice thing to do.
That is nice. In some countries, tipping is very important. In others, it's less common. It really depends on where you are, but saying thank you is important everywhere.
Absolutely. Always say thank you when they hand you your drink. Maybe even a "have a nice day." It just makes everyone feel good.
You know, Paul, I think the coffee shop might be my favorite kind of classroom.
Why's that?
Because you can just listen. You can listen to people talking, placing orders, and having conversations. You can hear real, natural English.
That is a wonderful tip for our listeners. Go to a coffee shop, buy a drink, sit down, and just listen. Listen to how people order. Listen to friends laughing and talking. It's great practice.
And it's relaxing. There's no stress. You're just enjoying your drink and the atmosphere.
Exactly. Just coffee and English. A perfect mix.
Well, Paul, I think our time is almost up.
Oh no, time really does fly when we're talking about coffee.
It does, but this was such a fun conversation.
Very fun. I hope our listeners are now ready to order their next coffee in English with total confidence.
I'm sure they are. So, everyone, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please tell us down in the comments. What is your favorite coffee order? Do you like latte and Americano? Or maybe you just drink tea? And do you prefer oat milk or cow's milk? Tell us your usual order.
We love reading your comments. It feels like having a cup of coffee with all of you.
It really does. Please don't forget to subscribe to the Speak English channel and share this video with your coffee-loving friends.
Thank you so much for listening today. Have a wonderful caffeinated day.
Yes, enjoy your coffee. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye bye.